Hey guys, welcome back. So today, we're trying to get the Hellcat out of the driveway. Yeah, that's become a pretty big struggle because if you watched channel recently and see my Instagram, we put the front splitter on, got everything mounted up, the Hellcat's back on the ground, and we're trying to do it before it starts raining out here. We're gonna go try and get the Hellcat out, and what we're trying, first of all, there's some pads there at because we have like a gutter line type thing, and it's so bad because it's a little dip and the tire goes into it and the splitter just wants to hit the driveways. We have to take like rubber mats and put them over it.
2 hours later.
Okay, we moved the rubber pads over and hopefully that'll help out. Oh, that barely clears it. I swear, if we just got stuck out in the street now, though. Whoa. You might want to try, because that looked really close, like closer than when you backed out. Oh my god, that is so close. Alright, come on.